to my blog where I discuss lots of things like makeup and hair goals and like everything in a bag of chips. Today, I'm being unboxed by a very funny family. Come on, let's go check it out.
Hi friends! Today I'm unboxing some surprises! And I'm going to give you the first clue.
Wow!
I told you, Mama.
That's awesome! How did you do that?
With my magic wand.
Wow, I love your magic wand.
Thanks.
But wait a minute. Why do you have a big one and I have a itty bitty one?
Because you're going to unbox the little surprise ball. Yeah!
I have the little sisters? Yeah! And what do you have?
I have the big sisters. I have the LOL surprise Underwraps.
Wow, that's awesome!
Woo!
But where are they?
Oh, I'll make them appear.
Wow! I love your magic wand. Can I have it?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Oh.
We can share.
Oh, the power of the wand is too much. Wow, we're gonna. Let me help you. I'll hold it for you. I'll hold it. Oh! Woo! Okay. Oh, we gotta put that in a safe place until next time. Okay. Are you gonna open yours?
Yeah.
I want to open mine too. How about we try to do it together?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, you're really good at that.
Whoa.
I should have picked the little sister one.
I've got little sisters, and it says, what does it say? There's
Oh wait,
a dress.
let me see.
There's a dress and a little image there.
Wait.
What is it? What does that mean? While you're looking at that,
Fashion fan. Oh, fashion fan.
does that say fashion fan?
Yeah.
Whoa! We're
think-
gonna check it out and see what's going on. How you doing over there?
I can help you with my eye spy glass when I get it out.
Oh, cool.
I think I have a.
Oh.
Oh! It was hiding all along.
Okay. Ooh. I think I'm gonna get my littles out before you do.
Hey.
Let's see.
Mine is only a slow poke.
Whoa.
Oh, Mama, I think I can get this out now. Oh, I got it out for you.
You did? Okay, let's check it out. What's that clue?
Oh, I was right. Fashion fan.
Fashion fan. Whoa. And you know exactly where to go to find it. You're good at this. Thanks for helping me.
You're welcome.
All right, I think that I'm going to be able to pop mine open now. Oh, wow. Let's see what's going on inside mine while you unwrap yours. I'm going to check this out. Oh, is this the doll? Oh, we got to wait for later for that one, right?
Yep.
Okay, let's see.
Wait, let me see in the checklist, Mama.
Let's see.
Little sister.
Oh, let's see the checklist.
You can get one. Wait, let me
see.
Oh, there's a little baby in here. Let me see this.
Oh, these are all the little sisters.
All the little babies.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow, look at all of them. This is too cool.
Wait, Mama, wait.
Which one do you want to get? Which one do you hope's in there?
I think little Bebe Bonito.
Oh, you want Bebe Bonito?
Or maybe little Bebe.
Where is she? I don't see her.
It's a boy.
Oh, little Bebe Bonito.
It's
Okay.
a boy. Oh, little splatters.
I want little splatters. I hope we get little splatters. But if not, I love whatever's in here. I'm going to treat her so special no matter who's inside. She's going to get the warrior or him. Let's see. Uh-oh. There's a chain here for our ball. Let me see. I just opened that up. Let's see. What's this one? Ooh, she's got a phone. Oh, how cute.
Oh, let me see this.
Oh, wow. Keep opening yours up.
It's broken.
Is it broken? Let me see. We'll fix it right up. It's not broken. Or is it? I don't know.
It's broken.
Okay.
Not for real. It's not real broken.
We got that going on.
Actually, it's not real broken, Mom.
Uh-oh. Ooh, here's another clue about who she is. Look at this bag.
I think... I know who this is.
Hold on. Hold on. We got to open it up. Look at this bag. Isn't this so cute? Oh, my goodness. Cute bag there.
Okay, for the baby.
Uh-oh, now for the big reveal. Are you ready?
Yeah.
To see who this little... Wait, you're supposed to be unwrapping yours while I'm doing this.
Okay, but I want to see yours.
Oh, I'm going to help you a little bit.
Okay.
You got to get to the second layer of this thing. All right. Okay, here we go. Are we ready?
Yes.
Oh, let's see who she is. Uh-oh.
Let's see who it is.
Who is it?
Let me see. Oh, you got little sweetie princess.
Oh, little sweet princess. Oh, we want little sweet princess. Isn't she adorable?
Love her, right, Mama?
Oh, she's so cute. And I love her little wink. Very cute. Oh, super cute. We love this. We're going to put her in a little bag here.
Okay.
Wow,
I'm
that's
gonna open mine.
awesome. And what a cute surprise.
I'm going to have all this. Oh, I knew it. I knew it. I see the thing where you get the secret code.
Oh, don't lose the code so we can figure it out what it is.
I spy glass, please. Oh.
Here's your I Spy glass.
Oh,
there are two of them. Okay. Oh, and her cell phone. I can't forget. Little sweet princess has a cell phone that goes inside there. I'm going to put this together. While you work on that, I'll do this.
What is this?
What does it say?
These are our codes.
Okay, so let's see how we're going to open this up.
Oh, let's get the diamond. Okay, let's see if I get it.
Oh! Finally, it opened.
Yeah, finally.
Okay, what is that? What's the first surprise?
I think it's... Oh, shoot!
Ooh, let's see what kind of shoes you have. Okay, so we've got, how many shoes?
2 shoes.
2 shoes. Cool. Ooh, another surprise. All right, I think we got the hang of it now.
Yep. This is the outfit.
Ooh, the outfit. This is going to give us a really good clue as to who it is, right?
Oh, wait, that's
that's not an outfit.
The cup.
It's the cup. Wow. Okay, her sippy cup.
Yep, let's put it up there. Right. Okay.
Oh, that's cute. Look, it has a little safety pin on it.
Oh.
I wonder who that belongs to. Somebody knows who that belongs to already.
Let's see. I'm going to try.
Oh, you got it
I
open.
didn't press it enough. I didn't press it enough.
Oh, that's what happened.
Oh, this is the outfit. I know it.
I hope it is. Oh, look at that.
Oh, wait. Let me see it.
No, don't guess yet. We gotta figure it out. Look at, you hold it. Let's hold it. What's that outfit? Show it to everybody.
It's cheer. I think it's cheer captain.
Oh,
wait,
it might be
that.
cheer. It may be somebody who was a cheerleader. We'll find out. Let's see. We've got this so far. Let's put up what we've got so far.
Okay.
You see? Okay. All right. What else? Let's see. We can unbox some more.
Oh, I got one shoe on. And another shoe on. Okay, the last thing I have to solve is this one right here. What?
Oh, you unlocked it! And the surprise is in there. Wow. That's awesome. And we're going to show you what she looks like when we put her clothes on.
Okay. Now for the big reveal. Where I open it? Oh, right nice and cute.
Oh, she's adorable. Wow. Look at her.
Let me fix this shit. Ah!
She's cute. I'll hold that for you.
Okay. And she's holding the pom-poms by herself.
Wow.
And her hair even color changes.
Wow, she's so cute. How about we
let
put them on the couch? You ready?
Uh-huh.
I'll put mine on the couch and you can put yours. Ready?
Okay. Ready,
Set,
steady,
go.
go.
Wow. Cool. They're so cute.
They're so cute. let me see if she color changes or not.
Did she color change? What did she do?
Let's find this. She pees. Okay, now we're gonna see how she color changes. Take her
Ooh.
shoes off, or maybe not.
Let's see.
Okay, let's put her bowl in the water first.
Okay. That's the what water? Is that cold or hot?
Hot!
Oh, does it change colors?
Yeah!
Oh, what is it doing?
It's another color now.
Ooh, the stars appeared. Hold on. Wow, that's pretty cool.
Ooh, the stars appeared.
And what happens when you dunk it in this water?
It goes back to the same color.
Oh, it goes back to the dark purple. Oh, try it again. I want to see.
Woo!
Ooh, nice.
Now we're gonna see if her hair color changes. Wow!
Wow. It's
Oh, her makeup changes too.
wow, and her outfit changes. You see that? Put her all the way in there. Put her, ooh, it changes from purple to pink.
And this is after.
Wow, how cute. Can I do it? Can I try it? I want to try. Let me dunk her in. Ooh. Look at what she looks like, guys. This is what she looks like, guys, when she's placed in warm water. You gonna try it when you put her in the cold water again?
My hair, the color changing her hair.
Wow.
Her eyebrows color changes every time I dip her in.
Wow. That is so cool.
Her eyebrows
What
color
about her
changes.
lips? What about her lipstick?
It's just the same.
It's the same? Wow. That's so cool. That is so cool, Sis Cheer.
Oh,
Too
now
awesome.
let's give her some water.
Ooh, let's see. You're gonna see whether she pees or if she spits. What do you think she does?
I think she's gonna pee.
You think so?
Let's see what she does. Okay, let's see. She's spitting.
Oh, she's a spitter. Can you spit over into this one, Sis Cheer? Let's see. She did it.
Let me try it.
You want to try it?
Woo!
Oh, they're so cute and adorable.
Bye.
Bye. We had fun.